So as we all know that water is a major component of our lives, its quality is being degraded day by day because of the misuse and also because of the ignorance among the rural India. And therefore, like every third person in India is dying because of some waterborne diseases like cholera, diarrhea, dysentery, etc. Therefore, to create awareness among the people, and especially the rural India, we have made this project on water analysis, related problems and its remedies. In this, we took samples of different areas of Allahabad, our district, like Karelabagh, Kareli, Mirapur, etc. And then we tested them for the presence of different chemicals like sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, iodine, and mercury, etc., which are very harmful if taken in excess. And then we compared them to the scientifically prescribed ranges. We found that the level of some of the chemicals in some areas was slightly more, which is very harmful for our health. Then, in order to create awareness among the rural Indians what they are actually drinking, we tried to develop a traditional method of purification of water, which is by using 4 earthen pots. The top one, which is empty, the second one, which is filled with coal, the third one is filled with sand, and the last one empty for pure water. We also, to create awareness of this process, we made a Jal Chowpal in a rural area of our district, and then we told them about this process and we asked them to practice it. We were very glad to know that when we returned back, some of the families had actually started practicing this process. So then we also made a bacterial test in our biotechnology lab, and we prepared a medium which consists of peptones, yeast extract and NaCl, and then we kept it in the incubator for a day. Then we added tap water to it and then left it. Then after a day we found that the medium had turned very turbid, which in turn tells us about the bacterial growth. So which is also very harmful for our health. So like this was to make aware the people that the stored water is very harmful for us. First of all, this process is very eco-friendly, and secondly it is very cheap. If we use this process on the industrial level, what we can do that a government can provide, like for a village, the government can provide a big system and the water can be supplied to all the areas. So this won't be as slow as when one practices it with the earthen pots at home. Like when it is done on the industrial level, some technical improvements will be there, so which will make the process very fast. Actually, we took a medium. It consists of NaCl, peptones, and yeast extract. We inoculated it, and then we kept it in the incubator for an overnight. Then we added tap water to it after cooling it. Then we left it for a day. After the day, we saw that the medium had turned very turbid, which in turn tells us about the bacterial growth, that the bacteria had actually grown in stored water. Like if we like water tanks we have, they have stored water in them. So the bacteria grows in that stored water. We actually indicated that with that experiment. In fact, we gained encouragement. Like we told them about this process. We showed them the method, how to practice it. Then after a week when we returned, we were very surprised to see that some of the families had actually started practicing this process.